into the world of effortless washing with the AI-powered Godrej Aeon Cresta, a front-load washing machine designed to give your clothes the perfect wash they deserve. Let's dive into the incredible features of the Godrej Aeon Cresta washing machine. Aeon Cresta comes with an ultra-intelligent system, which means that the washing machine adjusts its performance to deliver the most effective wash every time. What makes it so intelligent? Let's take a look. Water level and load sensing automatically sets water levels according to the load. The RPM for spinning is selected automatically based on the wash program. Your washing machine needs a wash too. Every 45th cycle, the machine automatically alerts the user, suggesting a self-clean for the drum. If clothes are unbalanced, the drum is unable to achieve the optimum RPM for spin. This intelligent feature automatically detects any imbalance in the load and redistributes it evenly, ensuring a stable and quieter operation. Excess foam can be a hindrance to the wash process. The machine detects foam from excessive detergent use and prevents foam overflow. If there is a power cut during the program operation, the machine remembers the program and once the power is restored, resumes from where it stopped. The Aeon Cresta washing machine is equipped with artificial intelligence to deliver a superior wash every time. So you don't have to think. Now let's take a look at some of the other features of this beautiful machine. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to powerful washing performance. The inbuilt heater heats water to 95 degrees Celsius for a more hygienic wash in select programs. The Fabri-Safe drum of the Cresta washing machine has multiple coin-sized grooves that allow frictionless scrubbing and cleaning of clothes while maintaining the quality of different fabrics. The steam wash, along with the unique drum design, enables the Cresta washing machine to remove over 100 types of stubborn stains from your clothes, such as coffee, lipstick, etc. The specially designed perforated drum with its 1000 RPM spin motor ensures better moisture removal, delivering faster drying by up to 30 minutes. Life can get busy and the delayed washing feature understands that. Set a delay of up to 24 hours and the washing machine will start the operation at your desired time, even in your absence. Enjoy the convenience of a tailored laundry schedule. Need your laundry done in a hurry? The quick wash feature comes to your rescue. It allows you to get your laundry done in just 15 minutes. The Godrej Aeon Cresta comes with a 2-year comprehensive warranty and a 10-year warranty on the wash motor. So if you're ready to upgrade your laundry experience, the Godrej Aeon Cresta front-load washing machine is the perfect choice. With its AI-enabled wash technology, comprehensive warranty, powerful cleaning performance and convenient features, it's a true game changer in the world of laundry. Get ready to say hello to hassle-free laundry days and impeccable results.